Send in the next mail for me now.
Left, yeah, pitney.
I am old man.
Yo.
Pop the Balloon or Find Love, Jamaica. Episode 10 coming up.
Send in the next mail for me now.
Jesus Christ.
I mean like here. I have money. I mean I have 2 hours, I bury some money.
Them couldn't wait till the man fully enter the place. The man have pop the balloon. One couldn't just give the man a chance. Wait till the man enter the premise, till the man enter the stage. Then you pop the balloon. Jesus.
May I go dig up here and share it, yeah? I go buy a car where you want. Yeah? I got you. You know alright, you know, you can't left.
Wait,
You want.
oh, so in a business, who else?
My response is nothing over there, sir. You, my want. May I go for your money when you finish, yeah?
So wait. You already find somebody who him like. See? Some man in this world already know what them want. And as them see it, they're going for it. Yep. Alright, let's get back into the video.
I have 2 hours. I bury some money in one of the yard. You can choose one of the yard. But I go give you half my money instead. I go buy what you want. Design everything. I own it, man.
Alright, so, what's your name? You're not even introduce yourself yet?
My name is John Gotti, aka Sugar Daddy.
Got
AKA Sugar Daddy.
Sugar Daddy.
Now watch them. They don't want nothing out of life.
Sugar Daddy. The girl him.
John Gotti, aka Sugar Daddy. Why, some man shameless, eh? Some man really not no shame. Man professor him is a sugar daddy. Me personally, me could have never professed to be no sugar daddy, you know. No. Even if I got old and all I had was money for offer, me couldn't admit to nobody say me a sugar daddy. No, sir. Would a shame. But some man proud of it. But I wouldn't be. Back to the video.
Sugar Daddy.
I mean,
Alright, why you social?
me?
Yeah.
Free single and disengagement.
No, you're social like your Instagram or so.
TikTok, still got it.
Still, alright, TikTok. Alright, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon that good.
No more hear from she. Me done with them.
So you know want to find out why them pop the balloon.
Baby, talk to me.
We have to start with she and we'll go down the line and then we'll come back to she
Pop
quick.
the balloon yet.
She pop her balloon, so we have to go find out.
Let's left now.
Hold on,
Talk to she.
we'll find out why you pop the balloon. Come to the side of me, G. Your name?
My name is Cheyenne. The reason why I pop the balloon is because you're short. That's all.
Thank you. Left.
That's it, and how much did I rate him?
2.
Rate him 2 out of 10. How much did I rate him, G?
0.
Alright. Wait, give a minute. Yeah. Come down the line, G. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hi, I'm Zenny.
Why you pop the balloon, Zenny?
Too arrogant and short and old.
Alright, how much did I rate him though?
0.
Yeah, last time I put on good.
Back up. She, me not like the way she dressed. She dressed like a lizard. How you aware she's so mismatched? You are wear a white blouse with green bottoms. Lady, you look like a lizard. Your friends them not like you. How they make you step out of the house looking like that? Nah. You're not color coordinated. White with green? How school you go, miss? Anyway, back to the video.
F. Next.
How much did I rate her though? How much did I rate her?
I'll give you a 7.
No, she.
0. Too much makeup.
How much did I reach? No, why you pop the balloon? Sorry. Sorry about that.
Well, it's just too old for me
Thank you.
and short.
Me give you a 6, but you're old too.
So wait, don't always disqualify a man based on height. Now, a short man will love you more than a tall man. You see, people always have these preferences, but usually don't end up with their preferences. I have a preference. Well, I can say most of the times I've ended up with my preference. I mean, I like a woman who is curvy, whether she chubby or slim. Me like a woman who's curvy, right? Whether she's chubby or slim. I like a woman who's going to add something to my life. Me like a woman who is nurturing. All of them things there. But me not go to the long list side. But usually people don't end up with their preferences. These type of shows, oh, him too short. If you and the man can make life together, go with that man. He's a decent man, right? No matter if him tall or short, just know say you have a man beside you who are gonna help you and who are gonna help each other. Add something to each other's life and make a family. Let's stop with the ridiculous, oh, him too short or she too dark or all that friggin' nonsense. Anyway, back to the video.
Give me a minute, but G. How much did I rate him? What? Because I'm short?
6.
6. Alright. You say you get a 6.
6 me give her.
Alright. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
I tell me for puppy.
Yeah, coming on like a wig. Yo, left, you're pitney.
I am old man.
Yo. Oh, tight. Come on, baby, talk to me.
Alright. Shh. Wait. Hold on. Alright, so everybody who pop them balloon, awkward grace for me.
Wanna lift up.
Alright, my G.
Yeah.
So, she never pop her balloon.
No.
Want to find out if because you tell her if never pop the balloon, I should never pop it willingly.
No, I don't know her for true.
Yeah? What happened?
I first met this man and I'm not lying. I love the vibe.
Love the
Your daddy. Him tell me, you know, and I need to ask him. But I still want to know why you choose me.
Honestly, I like orange.
Okay.
Bad.
Okay.
But you see all of the sugar daddy talk, and any man who wants to be a sugar daddy, that's up to you. But being a sugar daddy does not make a woman box jump, you know. Being a sugar daddy does not make a woman's kitty moist. You know, I'm gonna make her kitty slippery. You can pay all her expenses, but then she gonna step out upon you and give you a jacket. It's just simply not worth it. So fellas, especially Jamaican men, uno fi stop, lead with no wallet. Jamaican men, stop, lead with no wallet.
Me peep on you before me come around and me say, are you? Me not responding, none of them. Me not even look on them.
Just a call or grab them.
Believe.
Okay.
So any girl in orange?
No, she.
Alright, why you choose this color today?
It's my favorite color.
I love it.
Connect. Alright,
Thank you very much.
so what I gotta do? I want him ask you a question, and based on your answer, you're gonna ask him a question too. Get to know him and thing, we're gonna find out, okay? Alright, so you go. What's the question for him? Find out.
How many children you got?
You want me to be honest with you? 9. But me rich.
Okay.
She a rich girl, me to get pregnant, so that good. You don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what's my monthly allowance?
I'll make it rain all day long.
Me I put it to 200,000
Okay.
every month.
Okay.
Alright. Can be more, you know. Depends on how you cooperate, but you're good. I'm like you.
What do you think about that? That high, lower?
It's okay.
So
Think of a few things.
Wanna know nothing out of life, man.
can cover a few things. Alright, my G. Ask her a question. Get for know her.
Alright. What's your name, please?
Amber,
Amber. Where you from?
St. Elizabeth.
I'm gonna put you in one of the house then. I'll take you from country.
Okay.
Yeah? Got you.
All right.
So any more questions? Sugar daddy man.
Round 2.
Round 2.
Yes.
What is round 2?
Base good. We talk about this off the camera. Everything alright.
Alright. What your mindset be?
You know, I like what he's saying. I like when he put everything on the counter. But I didn't find a match here. But I saw someone, felt his energy. He's everything that I want.
So wait there. She finds somebody that she's connected to, and is not any of these people. Wow.
Oh my God!
And it have nothing to do with money. Wow. She sound like a good one. I wonder if I can find somebody like she. Like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave a comment down below.
And see in a man off the air behind the camera and stuff. Yes, I'm gonna pop my balloon.
Oh, you mean say you see somebody behind the camera?
In broke. Don't pop the balloon yet.
But we can build together.
In broke.
We can build together.
Yes, me say, man.
You're
You see? You hear what she said? We can build together. Fellas, all hope is not lost. All hope is not lost. Hear this young lady say she finds somebody where she and him can build together. Right, fellas? You don't need to be with a woman and a pair of bills. If a woman wants you to pay her bills, she just did a waste of time. She broke. She's broke. Find you a woman, fellas, where you and she can make life together. And I say you broke or she broke, you know. But the two of you have something to bring to the table, and you combine it and build something out of it for your kids and your grandkids. Alright, fellas? Avoid these females who out here look for man for pay them bills. Those women are broke. Those women want a lifestyle them can't afford to give themselves. So fellas, avoid broke women. Alright? Find yourself a woman who you and she can build life together, fellas. See? She's a good girl. Me like her.
Broke, you know want do that right now. Pop the balloon.
and trust me, I've been a sugar baby for years.
God no.
God no.
Puppy.
Yeah.
You know what? Not out of life either.
Oh, so you pop the balloon base because
Yeah. Because me know it's for
You
a
say see somebody
moment.
else.
it's for a moment in not gonna last.
And I see something that's
And she's absolutely right. Being a sugar baby, there's no longevity in being a sugar baby. So fellas, you see all of them women here look for a sugar daddy and want to be a sugar baby. Trust me, there's no longevity being a sugar baby. After a while, a man is going to get tired of you paying your bills because she's giving him little to no bedroom activity, if you catch my drift. Men get tired of putting forth money, but now get no crutches in return. So we continue the video. We're almost at the end. Like the video, comment, share.
This is somebody
everlasting.
else.
Behind the camera?
Behind the camera.
Who? Boss said?
No.
Oh.
Oh, yes, like could you pick the person though? Would you call him forward?
No, you have to watch the other series, the other show for that.
Alright. Alright, no problem. What you have to say?
Bye.
So, ladies and gents, we've come to the end of the video. You see, there's still light at the end of the tunnel. There are people out there who actually want somebody to build with. And I say you broke, and I say she broke. The two of you bringing something to the table, and you're making it work. I like where her head is at. She says she finds somebody where she's interested, and she wants to build life with that person. Not like them little scallywagger who want somebody to pay them bills. No, go away. Broke. Ladies, if you want a man to pay your bills, if you're broke, just say it. Right? I respect women who want to find a man to build life together. And ladies, it's not so y'all help build that man. Oh no, I help build each other. You and him is coming together to build each other. The Bible says a house divided cannot stand. This has been Lewis Link Up TV. Make sure you like the video, subscribe. Till next time.